I love music and enjoy playing bass with the Plum Grove Praise Team. But Sunday, most people will be at home, not in church because of coronavirus.
And so what I do first is I come in and turn on all the computer equipment and put in the songs that we're going to sing today, the announcements and pastor's sermon, and then we practice.
When did you start singing? You have a great voice.
When I was a teenager, I think.
What is your earliest memory of singing in church?
As a teenager, we would do music productions at the church and sing specials. I hardly ever sang solo. I always would sing harmony with someone else.
I'll probably still be playing my bass. My family have a history of music all the way back to the Jerusalem temple, where my dad's ancestors led music. They were Cohen, our temple priests. Unfortunately, I can't play by ear. I've got to have the music, unlike the rest of the group.
Or you rather start? I'd rather us do it this way we normally do it. Okay, let's do it.
We practice from 9:30 to 10:30, which is when church service starts. We play mostly contemporary music at Plum Grove, but throw in some old-time gospel songs.
Is it just for heaven's gain?
John Mark, like everyone in the group, is talented.
Of gold, and to hear the angels sing.
But John Mark and I both love Andre Crouch music. Andre's songs are now in hymnals throughout the world. And I got to know Andre in the 70s when I lived with his best friend in Atlanta, Georgia. We had supper a couple of times, and he even came out with the Rambo family and played for a small group of kids in our Atlanta coffee
What
house.
speaks to me about that is that it's the text that comes to me. It's the text that I hear every word that normally I don't hear in every song. So that's why I like his music.
many tears and sorrows, and I've had questions for tomorrow. And there's been times I didn't know right from wrong. But in every situation, God gave me blessed consolation, that my trials only come to make me strong. I've been lots of places, and I've seen lots of faces. And there's been times I felt so all alone. But in my lonely hours, yes, those precious lonely hours, Jesus lets me know that I am His own. Through it all, through it all, God for the mountains, and I thank Him for the valleys, and I thank Him for the storms that He's brought me through. Or if you never had a problem, you never knew that God could solve them. You never knew what faith in the Word of God could do. But I can tell the world,
You have a verse 2? Okay, I need verse 2.
I like David Pillow. I call him Mr. Music. I've known him a long time, and he's a talented musician, singer, and songwriter.
But without God's word, the blind just lead the blind. And after all is said and done, all the world will see God's Son and bow their knees. After all is said and done, every saint will join the one who calms the seas. 'Cause nothing else will matter when the marathon of life is finally run. After all is said and done, after all is said and done.
Waymaker, miracle worker, promise keeper, light in the darkness, my God, that is who you are. in the darkness, my God, that is who you are. You are here, moving in our midst. I worship you, oh, I worship you. You are here, working in this place. I worship you, oh, I worship you. Waymaker, waymaker, miracle worker, promise keeper, light in the darkness, my God, that is who you are. That is who you are. Waymaker, miracle worker, promise keeper, light in the darkness, my God, that is who you are. Even when I can see you working, even when I don't feel you working, you never stop working, you never stop working. Even when I don't see you working, even when I don't feel you working, you never stop working, you never stop working. Waymaker, miracle worker, promise keeper, light in the darkness, my God, that is who you are. Oh, waymaker, miracle worker, promise keeper, light in the darkness, my God, that is who you are. You are here, touching every heart. I worship you, oh, I worship you. You are here and healing every life. I worship you, oh, I worship you. Waymaker, oh, waymaker, miracle worker, promise keeper, light in the darkness, my God, that is who you are. That is who you are. Waymaker, miracle